This tutorial I am going to show on how to unlimited stretch any background. So let's get started. At first open your Photoshop, then open your image. Select crop tool and here select to ratio, and must be click on clear. Now crop and stretch your background. But it is a problem for white background. So back to previous. Press Alt-Ctrl Z. At first unlock your background. Then select crop tool and here select to ratio. And click on clear. Now stretch your background. This time background not white, it's transparent, so it will be okay. If you transform this photo by using Ctrl T, so it will not be perfect. It destroy. So don't use transform. So back to previous. And now go to edit, then select content aware scale. Or press Alt-Shift-Ctrl C. Now stretch your background and carefully looking your subject. When it's affects on your subject, then here is stopped. Then again go to edit, then select content aware scale. This process continue until your background full stretching. Looking that, left side perfectly stretching, but right side is not stretching, so that, this time select rectangular mark tool and select right side. Then again go to edit, then select content aware scale. And now easily stretching. Now press enter or return. And for deselect press Ctrl D. Here two side not perfect. So select clone stamp tool. Then hold press Alt key and select your background sample. And use your expected area. Just hold press Alt key and select your sample area. And use your expected area. Again and again. This time all are perfect. Now for second example. At first unlock your background. Then select crop tool and here select to ratio, and click on clear. Now crop your background. Then now go to edit, then select content aware scale, or press Alt-Shift-Ctrl C. Now stretch your background and carefully looking your subject. When it's affects on your subject, then here is stopped. Then again go to edit, then select content aware scale. This process continue until your background full stretching. This time select rectangular mark tool and select left side. Then again go to edit, then select content aware scale, and now easily stretching. Now press enter or return, and for deselect press Ctrl D. Thanks for watching my full tutorial. I hope you must like this tutorial. Like, comment and must be subscribe my channel for more update tutorial. Thank you.